When it started really getting bad, I was like, oh man, I wasn't expecting this.
Right now, we have an Eyewitness News exclusive. The Delta variant is capable of breaking through the vaccine and infecting fully vaccinated people. Tonight, we are giving you an eyewitness perspective of what happened to one local man. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is joining us live right now. He is with the Department of Public Health with more on this specific case. How severe was it, Matthew?
Well, Mark, when we first got the vaccine, we didn't feel 100% the day after. Well, the man you're about to meet says the actual virus is easily 10 times worse than any side effects.
Consistent headache that never went away. Chills constantly, waking up in cold sweat.
It sounds awful. And Anthony Adelino Delicia's battle with COVID was a nightmare.
It was terrible. I kind of went downhill for at least 3 days out of the 10 days of quarantine.
We first met the 25-year-old Delicia on Friday, July 30th. The congressional candidate in the 2nd District had recently tested positive for COVID, even though he had his one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine in April. While each case can be different, we were curious to learn what he experienced.
Terrible headache, consistent, cough, fatigue, headache, all the things that they talk about. The chills were pretty constant.
Delicia says the virus was the worst on the 4th day of quarantine.
But when it started really getting bad, I was like, oh man, I wasn't expecting this.
Knowing that the virus is responsible for more than 8,000 deaths in Connecticut, we asked Delicia if he ever got scared.
Mentally, I think it helped that I had the vaccine because I wasn't worried about that additional aspect of something worse happening.
Even in the throes of the virus, Delicia says he had reassurances that unvaccinated people simply don't have.
Even on the worst day, it at least helped ease my mind of, well, I don't have to worry about dying, right? I don't have to worry about going to the hospital.
Other than a minor cough, Delicia is out of quarantine and says constant hydration helped his recovery. We talked with doctors from Hartford HealthCare today about what they're currently seeing, and they say it mirrors national statistics.
As we're seeing, the percentage remains 95 to 99% of the individuals needing critical care, needing ventilation, are individuals that has not been vaccinated.
And doctors say they anticipate the amount of cases will increase in the weeks to come, but that percentage of hospitalizations, that 95 to 99% who are not vaccinated, they do not believe that will change. That is the latest. Live here in Hartford, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.